In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a professional email with Squarespace and Google Workspace. This is an important step for anyone looking to create a polished and credible online presence. Having a domain-specific email not only boosts your brand's professionalism, but also helps in maintaining consistency in your communications. First, you'll want to open the Squarespace website, which is the platform where we'll start this process. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, look towards the upper right-hand corner and click on your profile. This is your gateway to all the essential settings that you'll be adjusting to link your new professional email. Next, navigate to the Domains section. This is a critical step because your professional email will be associated with your domain, enhancing your brand's identity. After clicking Domains, select your existing domain from the list provided. Doing this ensures that your email will be neatly tied to your website, making it more recognizable and trustworthy to recipients. At this point, you'll be directed to a page where you'll see the option to add Google Workspace. This is the platform that will host your professional email. By clicking Add, you embark on the journey to create a customized email address linked to your specific domain. The inclusion of Google Workspace provides robust email services, as well as tools for collaboration and productivity, a valuable asset for businesses of any size. Now comes the part where you choose a plan that fits your needs. Google Workspace offers various plans ranging from basic to advanced, each with different features and storage options. Think about what your business requires in terms of email storage, video conferencing, and document management, and select the most suitable plan. Once you've decided, simply click on the plan you want and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll then be asked to enter some personal information. This typically involves standard data, such as your name, address, and possibly some business details, depending on the requirements laid out by Google Workspace. This is where you'll also have the opportunity to change your username, which will be the first part of your new email address. For example, if your domain is yourbusiness.com, choosing info as a username would result in the email info@yourbusiness.com. As you enter these details, you'll start to see your new email address take shape. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and reflects what you intend it to. Double-check all necessary details, then click Save and Continue. Some final prompts will guide you through the setup completion, ensuring everything is configured properly. Congratulations, you've taken an important step in professionalizing your online communications. By following this tutorial, you now have a branded email that will help in presenting a unified and professional front to all your contacts.